day, everyone. We are the Group 5 from the Bachelor of Science in Veterinary Technology, Section 1A. And today, we are going to present our topic entitled The Study and Application of Nanotechnology. Before we start our discussion, let's present first the objectives of our topic. After discussing the topic, the students will be able to first define what nanotechnology is and understand its main concept and importance in modern science. Next we have is describe the nanoscale and explain how materials have differently when they are extremely small. Next, identify the various uses of nanotechnology in fields like medicine, electronics, energy, agriculture, and environment. Next we have is recognize the possible health, environmental, and ethical concerns related to nanotechnology. Next is discuss the current status and development of nanotechnology in the Philippines. And finally, appreciate how nanotechnology can contribute to human progress when used safely and responsibly. Now that we know our goals, let's move on to understand what nanotechnology really is.
Good day, everyone. I'm Clyde, and I'll be discussing what nanotechnology really is and why the nanoscale is such a big deal, even though it's literally super tiny. Nanotechnology is the science, engineering, and application of materials and devices at the nanoscales, which range from 1 to 100 nanometers. To help you imagine how small that is, a human hair is about 80 to 100 nanometer wide. Meaning, if a strand of your hair was a road, a nanometer would be like one tiny ant walking on it. And that ant is also on a diet. That's how small we're talking. At these small scales, scientists can manipulate atoms and molecules to create materials with new and unique properties. This means we can develop stronger materials, faster electronics, and more effective medicines. Now, what exactly is the nanoscale? It's the size range where materials start acting differently, almost like they have a new personality. For example, gold at the nanoscale can appear red or purple instead of yellow, and carbon, when rearranged at the nanoscale, can be stronger than steel but extremely light. Why do these changes happen? Because when materials get this small, their surface are become much larger compared to their volume, and they react more easily with the world around them. Their physical and chemical properties shift, giving scientists a powerful toolbox to design new technology.
Nanotechnology has many uses in our daily lives and in different industries. Now, let's look at some of its main applications. First is medicine. In healthcare, nanotechnology helps create targeted drug delivery systems. This means the medicine goes straight to the sick part of the body, like cancer cells, without harming the healthy ones. It also used in medical imaging, helping doctors detect diseases early and accurately. Next is electronics. Nanotechnology allows engineers to make smaller but powerful devices like smartphones and laptops. It also helps produce chips and circuits that work faster and last longer. Next is energy. Nanotechnology improves solar panels so they can absorb more sunlight and helps make batteries that last longer and charge faster. It also creates fuel cells that convert energy more efficiently, reducing pollution and saving resources. Agriculture. Farmers benefit from nanofertilizers that release nutrients slowly, so plants absorb them better. There are also nanopesticides that kill harmful pests without damaging the soil or water, making farming more eco-friendly. Lastly is environment. Nanotechnology is used to clean water and air, Some nanoparticles can break down oil spills or remove heavy metals from polluted rivers. It also helps make biodegradable materials that reduce waste and pollution. As you can see, nanotechnology is already helping people live better, from hospitals to farms and even the devices we use every day.
Now here's the part 3, concerns and issues about nanotechnology. While nanotechnology offers many benefits, it also brings some concerns and challenges that we should be aware of. First is health risk. It's because nanoparticles are extremely small. They can enter the body through the skin, air, or food. Some may cause inflammation or cell damage if they are not properly tested. That's why scientists are still studying how safe nanomaterials really are. Second is environmental impact. If nanomaterials are not properly disposed of, they can mix with soil or water and cause pollution. These particles don't break down easily, so they might harm plants, animals, or aquatic life. Third is ethical and privacy issues. Nanotechnology can be used to make tiny cameras or tracking devices that could invade people's privacy. It can also be used in weapons or military tools, which raises ethical questions. And lastly, the economic gap. Developing countries like the Philippines may find it hard to keep up with the high cost of nanotechnology research.
Nanotechnology in the Philippines. Here in the Philippines, nanotechnology is still developing, but we are making a great process. The Department of Science and Technology, DOST, and universities like UP and Ateneo de Manila are conducting research in nanotechnology for health, agriculture, and energy. The Philippine Council for Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technology Research and Development, or PCIEERD, also supports projects that focus on nanotechnology for sustainable development.
Although we are still behind compared to other countries, these efforts show that the Philippines is moving towards scientific innovation. With proper education and support, nanotechnology can greatly help our farmers improve our healthcare and protect the environment. To conclude, nanotechnology is a powerful and promising science that allows us to create new things from the tiniest materials. It gives us better medicines, cleaner energy, and more sustainable technology, but it also reminds us to act responsibly. With the right knowledge, safety, and care, nanotechnology can truly help build a better and brighter future for everyone.
Thank you for listening to our presentation on the study and application of nanotechnology. We hope you learn something new and realize how small things can make a big difference.